You guys, welcome back. Let me tell you, that took me a while to figure out what the problem was. So let me show you how to solve the problem. So there's few things, and I figured out a few things, and the last one was a little challenging, which made absolutely no sense. All right, so the first thing that you need to do is, in database handler, I left out very key information. So when this class right here gets called to create the onCreate, this was missing. So on line 32, add this piece of code. This would be number 1. So add this piece of code, and this will solve that problem, okay? So step 1 is to add that code. Step 2 is to go ahead and run your compiler, run your emulator, find the name app database, and then just uninstall it, okay? I'm not gonna uninstall it because I got it working, so I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to jinx it. So uninstall your thing. Actually, screw it. I'll uninstall it. And once you hit, do you want to uninstall it? Hit OK. Yes. Then what you want to do is you want to come down here and clear this. That's what you want to do first. Well, actually, that's what you want to do. You do that. All right. The other part is, let's see, what else did I have to do? All right. The other thing that I needed to do was go into my utility. And originally I told you guys to do DB version, change it to database version. So you want to change this to database version. And I also had DB name, you want to change it to database name. I honestly didn't think this is what it was, but this is what the problem was. One of the problems. The one I just showed you previously where when you go into and add, let's see, when you add, where are we at? When you add this and then delete the app and run it, it'll generate the database, but it won't create one of the tables. So to save you time, make a database name and make a table name, then go over to database handler and change those values up here. So it says database name and database version. Then once you uninstall your app and run it, it should work. Now I have to reinstall it again. So first thing is, if your app comes up like this, that's a good sign. The second thing is it's running right now, so I uninstalled it. I probably screwed it up since I did that. Oh, no, here it is. So in our code, where's our code at? Contact, no, database, oh, main code. In our code, we're saying, hey, get and add our contacts, and then we come down here and say, get our contacts back. And that's exactly what it's doing, is right here. It's running our query, pulling our values back, name, AB, phone, this, Crosby, so forth. So if we wanted to add another name here, we could do, add your name here. So do your actual name. So I'll do mine. Add contact, new contact. So it calls the model. I'll put name equals Jeff. All right, something's missing there. Phone number, what the heck is going on? So let me just copy and paste this instead of trying to figure out what I did wrong here. It'll take me forever. It already took me 20 minutes to figure this one out. Alright, so we will put Jeff, and we'll put my phone number. Actually, we will list my other number. We will list the number that I probably never use, is 412-392-8035. That's my office line. Alright, so now if I run it again, now we have our information. Let's clear it and rerun it so we have a clear set of code values. Alright, so it's getting all the information we had before, but now we have Jeff. It's just running it over and over and over. But we have Jeff in here and we have that phone information. That's what I was trying to achieve. So in your assignment, we haven't completed the videos, but in the assignment, yeah, I got it. In the assignment I want you guys to do this week is I want you to figure out a way to add, we have name and phone number, but also figure out a way to add 2 other fields. Whatever fields that you want to add. So I'm thinking city would be one field, and I'll put it in here. homework assignment. Add, city, and add an attribute of your choice. So add what you want. Two attributes. One city, and the other one is an attribute of your choice. Okay? Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.